to preserve battery health in Samsung Galaxy F07, let's start by opening settings on our device. Next step is to find the battery. And here on this device, there's a specific option called battery protection. Now, when you enter it, there's two options. There's maximum one and basic one. If you go for a basic, what it does, it basically allows you for your phone to charge to 100% of its battery, but it won't maintain that 100% when it's charging. It will allow it to drop to 95 and then charge it back to 100%. It's great for overnight charging and stuff like this. So if you're charging your phone a lot, then it will work great. Next thing that you can do is maximum. Charging will stop at the level you set. So if we select that option, your phone will charge to a certain amount of percentage that you can set right here. So in this case, it won't charge to 100%. It will always stop at 80. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.